What is going on, YouTube? So check it out, guys. So I'm finally gonna install the rear diffuser. I know it's been a week already, but I really haven't had time to be messing around with it. And there's a couple little things that I want to let you guys know about it before you decide buying it. It's really nice, you know, I really like the look of it and everything like that. It just takes a little bit more work because of these things. So check it out, guys. So if you guys can see right here, this is where the stock screws go on, and once I take out the stock diffuser, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. But there's supposed to be screws that go in through right here, and they installed straight, like they go straight to the car, so then it attached to the car, right? But like I was looking at a lot of videos on how to remove the stock diffuser, and I was looking at a lot of videos installing a new rear diffuser, and it seems like a lot of new rear diffusers, like aftermarket diffusers, come with, like, they come prepared. Like, unlike this one, a lot of the rear diffusers that are aftermarket come prepared. Like, they come with the hose for the screws and everything like that. And if you guys can see in here, those are supposed to be like clips, and right here they're just like little things. Once I flip this over, you guys will understand a little bit more on that one too. But it just seems like it didn't come well prepared. I know it's fiberglass and I know it's handmade and everything like that. You know, I just want to let you guys know, like, there's nothing wrong with it. I just want to let you guys know that if you guys do decide to buy this one, it is a little bit more work than the regular rear diffusers, like the regular aftermarket ones. And also with the side skirts, guys, they didn't come with any hardware or nothing like that. So the side skirts just came with the side skirts, that's it, pretty much. They didn't come with anything else. In my opinion, I kind of recommend you guys go with something that's already prepared, so you guys don't have to do the extra work. I don't really want to make this video too long, you know. I want you guys to get the main idea of how to do it and everything like that. And yeah, so we'll get right to it. So for the first step, you guys want to lift the rear end so it's a lot easier to get under there and be able to remove the stock rear diffuser and install the new one. Okay guys, so for the first step on removing the diffuser, the stock rear diffuser, there's going to be 5 screws on each side, guys. So if you can see right here, there's going to be one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. It's going to be on each side, so that's going to be 5 on this side, and I'll make 5 on the other side. Also, you're going to have 2 in the middle. If you can see right here, there's one right here and one right here. So you got the 5 over there, and then the 5 on this side, and then 2 in the back. So that's 12 screws in total that you need to take off. It's going to be a 7mm socket that you need for this to take them off. If you have a drill, it'll make it a lot easier. Alright guys, for the next step, as you can see, the exhaust is right here. Back here, that piece right there, I'll show you right now. So you're going to want to stick your hand back here, and you're going to find a screw, one of those 7mm. You're going to have to use a ratchet to do it, because this one, you can't fit the drill back here. See, it's behind this black piece right here. And it's going to be on both sides, so there's going to be one on this side and there's going to be one on this side, guys. So check it out, guys. We popped this side out a little bit already, and I want to explain to you guys what's going on. So there's going to be clips that the bumper holds, and you want to use, like, I use this tool, guys. You could use a panel popper or a flat screwdriver, anything that to kind of like pry it out. And also up here, when you pull these ones off, you want to do it slowly. There's going to be 5 clips like this that are going to be holding it from the inside. It's kind of hard to get to it from under here, so I'm kind of using this little tool right here, pushing it out a little bit, and I'm using this little tool to pop it off. You guys could do that, or you could get it from the inside if you could reach and you could see it perfectly, whatever. And you could use the needle nose pliers to be able to take off the 5 clips that are going to be right here, and that could work out too. Right now I'm just doing it like this because it seems a little bit easier to do it like this, but you could do it however way. Right now we're about to do it to the 5. There's going to be 5 of these clips. We're going to take them all off, and I'm going to show you right now a little bit of how to do it. Alright guys, so check this out. This is pretty much how it's done. You can barely see inside, but we're going to use that little kind of needle and pop. It just popped out right now. The clip is right there. I'll get it right now and show you guys. But now you just have to be careful. Just don't damage your paint or your car or anything like that. So you have to be really careful. And like I said, you can use the panel poppers if you feel better with those. You can see it's holding from the bumper, and here's the clip right here. It just popped out. So you want to just kind of like pry it out. Do it safely. Don't try to force it out because you might break the clip. And if you can see down there, there's a little clip that's holding it on the inside right there. So check it out, guys. This is how it looks from the inside right here. So if you can see right here, there was a clip holding it from right there. On the new rear diffuser, it doesn't have this, so we're probably not going to be able to, probably not going to have to put this, or we're not going to be able to anyways. So check it out, guys. The rear diffuser is completely off right now. It's over here to the side. I'm gonna toss the whole thing. So I did cut a couple of those little clips, and I just took them off after I cut it, because I don't really want to spend too much time on it, and I'm gonna toss it anyways because I already had chopped it for the exhaust. So right now we're gonna get started on putting the new one on, and I'm gonna show you the differences and how there's clips on that one and how the holes and stuff like that, and I'm gonna show you guys all that. All right, guys, so check it out. I want to explain to you guys what I was saying in the beginning about how it's not really prepared. So as you can see right here, there is no hose like this one, see, for the screws to directly go onto the car. So I'm gonna have to try to make the hose as perfect as I can so it could connect to the car perfectly. Also right here, if you can see, there are clips right on here. It's just random. It's just like, I don't understand why they didn't make it clip. So like I said, guys, you know, I do recommend you guys getting something that's a little bit more prepared, especially this too. Look at, so where the deflectors are at, those also don't have hose on them, so I am gonna have to make my own hose and kind of like do some kind of thing so then it fits in perfectly. It's just, there's a lot more work that you have to do if you buy this one. I'm not like saying it's bad, because it really looks nice. I'm gonna do the hose real quick. Hopefully it lines up. I'm probably gonna line it up to the car. I'm gonna put it on the car first and line everything up to make sure things fit perfectly. Not fully stable right now, guys, but we are gonna secure it. We're just pretty much done for the day because we want to go eat already, and it's already getting late. And see right here, you'll see the gap right here. There's a gap. We're gonna have to do double-sided tape on this side, and it, like right there, there's imperfections on it, guys, so keep that in mind. This one has a really big gap. Once we do the double-sided tape, guys, it should hold its place. But yeah, this is the end result, guys. It looks nice. I'm not gonna complain. It does look nice. It's just, it was kind of hard to work with. Like if you can see right there on the ground, that's like the fiberglass. We had to do the drill. We had to drill the holes while it was on, so then we could get the good estimate on where it's at. I cleaned up my exhaust pipes right here too, so it looks pretty nice and clean on both sides. So all we're gonna do more tomorrow is just make it fit a little bit better, put the double-sided tape for the gaps, and that's pretty much it, guys. I know it's been a while since I posted this video that installing the rear diffuser. It's because I put it on, but there was a lot of difficulties, guys, and so I really do recommend you guys going for one that's a little bit more prepared. No offense to Duraflex or anything like that, because you know, I understand their product is nice and everything, but it didn't come prepared, guys, and it came prepared for maybe a body shop to do it, but it didn't come prepared for you to do it yourself. And I know a lot of people that have cars like this, or like they like doing upgrades to the cars. They like doing it on themselves, you know. They like putting all the things on themselves and not having to pay a body shop. See, I'm one of those people that like putting all their parts on by themselves, and they made it a little too difficult. Well, it's not that it's difficult, guys. It just takes more steps for you guys to get it done. And right now it's not perfect. Right now you probably won't see any imperfections, but it's not perfect right now, guys. I'm still gonna work on it when I do the side skirts. I haven't even started the side skirts, guys. It's just both of these parts for the Duraflex they're not as prepared as the competitors with rear diffusers and side skirts. It's a little bit more difficult, so I do recommend you guys going with a different company. Like I said, you know, no offense to Duraflex, it's just my experience with this kind of sucked, and I wouldn't go with another part from them. I want to give you guys my honest opinion, you know, so before you guys go and buy this, and then, you know, you guys have to go through the same thing. Like, I'll show you this real quick. You can see right there the double-sided tape. It's because so let me show you guys real quick. It's a little off right now. I'm gonna fix it up a little later, but we had to push it against it, right? But it's not perfectly aligned to the car, so it kind of sucked. And that's the thing that I'm kind of getting at, and then the hose for the screws weren't ready. And you guys will see in the video what I'm talking about, all the things I'm talking about. I am gonna fix that one up a little bit because that one's a little off, and this side's pretty good actually. This side is not that bad, but yeah, you could totally tell that, you know, it's not perfect to the car. If they want people like me to like start talking about their products and saying it's so good, then they have to make it a little bit more prepared. They need to make it so then it's easier to put on. It's less like modifying and more just putting it on, and that's it. That's all I really have to say about it, guys. I'm sorry about the late post, guys. It's just, it took a while to make this video, and I really been lagging on the part itself, guys, and also those rear deflectors. I had to shave them. And it also, another thing that I really didn't like is that it's so damn close to the exhaust pipes, guys. Like, it's like off by a little bit. Like, it's like so close, and I kind of don't like that because, you know, it might damage the paint, the heat. Overall, guys, it does look nice. I just want to put this video out here for people that are looking into it. I did look into these parts, but I didn't see any videos about them. If I were one of you guys looking for the video, I would want it to be here, and I would want people to talk about the difficulty and if it's bad or if it's good. So just letting you guys know, it takes more work. It's not that it's bad, it's just, it's not easy, and it's not the greatest fit. That's all I have to say about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Can't save, I'm not enough.